everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Adobe Firefly for social media content using Adobe Firefly app. Let's get started. First, launch your Adobe Firefly and sign in with your account. Then here pick your content type. Adobe Firefly Mobile supports a text to image. This create scenes, backgrounds, and custom visuals. Meanwhile, the text to video or image to video will be the one that create animated clips. The generative fill and expand, it edits and remove elements, resize for different social formats. Then here, craft your prompt. Enter a clear and descriptive prompt, like this example here. Type a pastel sunset backgrounds for Instagram story. And after that, specify the aspect ratio. You can choose whatever ratio that you like. And optionally, you can choose a style like graphic, painting, and photorealistic. And tap Generate. Firefly will create four unique visuals and tap any image to view a full screen, then reflector or generate more until you're happy, and tap download or save the device to store the image. And for social media, also look share to, which may open to the different platforms like Instagram that's directly to the app. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.